How to use analytics to make a video viral in YouTube. Insta Data Help Analytics Services. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, with an estimated 2 billion monthly active users. With such a vast audience, it's no wonder that businesses and individuals alike are all looking to create viral videos that grab the attention of as many people as possible. However, turning a video into a viral sensation is often easier said than done. Fortunately, analytics can provide valuable insights into what makes a video successful and how to use that knowledge to turn any video into a viral hit. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of optimizing videos for virality, it's important to understand which metrics are used to determine a video's success on YouTube. These metrics are crucial for measuring the success of a video and can help you identify what's working and what isn't. Views are the most obvious metric to look at when measuring a video's success. The number of views a video receives is a good indication of its popularity, and the more views a video has, the more likely it is to be shared and recommended by the YouTube algorithm. However, views alone don't tell the whole story. Watch time is the total amount of time viewers spend watching a video. It's a more accurate metric than views because it takes into account how long viewers are engaged with the content. If a video gets a lot of views but viewers only watch a few seconds before clicking away, it's not likely to go viral. Engagement refers to the number of likes, comments, and shares a video receives. High levels of engagement are a good sign that viewers are enjoying the content and are more likely to share it with their own networks. Audience retention is a measure of how long viewers stay engaged with a video. It's a crucial metric because it can help identify the point at which viewers lose interest and click away. By analyzing audience retention data, creators can make changes to their videos to keep viewers engaged for longer. Now that we know which metrics are important, let's look at how to use them to optimize videos for maximum virality. Optimizing videos for virality. Research your niche. Before creating a video, it's important to research your niche and understand what types of content are popular. Look at what your competitors are doing and identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Use YouTube analytics to see which types of videos are performing well in your niche. Create engaging content. Engaging content is crucial for keeping viewers interested and increasing watch time. Create content that's visually appealing and tells a compelling story. Use high-quality visuals and audio to capture viewers' attention and keep them engaged. Use analytics to identify which parts of your video are the most engaging and focus on those elements when creating future content. Optimize for search. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for getting your video seen by as many people as possible. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help it rank higher in search results. Use analytics to see what search terms people are using to find content in your niche and incorporate those terms into your SEO strategy. Encourage engagement. Encourage viewers to engage with your content by asking them to like, comment, and share. Use annotations or end screens to make it easy for viewers to take action. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a sense of community around your content. Use social media. Promote your video on social media to reach a wider audience. Share your video across all your social media channels and encourage your followers to watch and share it with their own networks. Use analytics to see which social media channels are driving the most traffic to your video and focus your efforts there. Best practices for creating viral videos. Keep it short and sweet. Shorter videos tend to perform better on YouTube. Aim for a length of between 2 and 3 minutes to keep viewers engaged and increase watch time. Make it visually appealing. Use high-quality visuals and audio to make your video visually appealing. Use a mix of shots and angles to keep things interesting and use music and sound effects to enhance the viewer experience. Tell a story. Create a story that viewers can connect with and that has a clear message or purpose. Use a compelling narrative structure to keep viewers engaged and to pull them through the video. Be creative. Think outside the box and come up with creative ideas that stand out from the crowd. Use humor, storytelling, or unique visuals to make your video memorable and shareable. In today's digital world, going viral on YouTube is a highly coveted achievement. By understanding the metrics that determine a video's success, optimizing videos for maximum impact, and following best practices for creating viral content, businesses and individuals can increase their chances of creating a video that resonates with viewers and gets shared across the internet. Use analytics to gain insights into what works and what doesn't, and use that knowledge to create content that captures viewers' attention and keeps them engaged. Thanks for watching.